Hi, I'd like to give you a quick overview of Codeego, an AI-powered platform for certified software valuation. Founders, M&A teams, CIOs, CTOs, and compliance teams use it to certify the value, quality, and IP integrity of any codebase for due diligence and transactions. It is end-to-end encrypted. Analysis runs read-only, your source code is never retained, and everything is isolated from your live systems, on-premise if required. From a user perspective, everything starts here on the platform. On the pricing page, you choose the tier you need, with Starter, Pro, Expert, and Enterprise available. The Pro tier adds IP custody, where your codebase is securely held by an independent, trusted third party. The Expert tier lets you select a specialized compliance and security framework, so the valuation supports passing that audit, such as SOC 2 or OWASP ASVS. And Enterprise adds ongoing valuation for teams with all the features of Expert. To begin, the user selects Start Valuation and logs in. Once logged in, the first step is to point to the source code. This can be done via a Git repository, public or private, or by uploading a zip file. For this demo, I'll upload a zip file. The user can then provide some context, such as the type of development team, in this case a startup, then geography, for example the US or Northern Europe, and whether AI is part of the system. This helps contextualize the analysis. Within the order summary, the technical valuation is always included, with the option to add the economic valuation if required. All analysis is fully encrypted and can also be run on-premise if required. We never access or retain the source code, which is critical for security-sensitive environments. We can also include IP custody of the source code. Once submitted, the analysis typically takes between 5 to 10 minutes. During this time, Codeego transforms the codebase into a structured set of technical and economic insights. The result is a set of outputs designed to support decision-making. At a high level, this includes a snapshot of the system, files analyzed, lines of code, estimated development hours, team size, estimated build cost and maintenance cost, and the overall Production Readiness Score. The executive summary includes a clear, high-level view of the system, including production readiness, key strengths, critical risks, estimated development investment and timeline, and overall quality. The user can also listen to the summary by clicking on play.
This codebase represents Nextcloud Server, a mature enterprise platform comprising over 1.3 million lines of code. The Production Readiness Score is 65 out of 100, indicating a good but improvable foundation.
Within the Production Readiness section, an overall codebase quality score is available, covering code quality and maintainability, security and dependencies, architecture and documentation, and overall system maturity. This effectively provides a full X-ray of the software. In the investment section, we estimate the development effort and rebuild cost, providing a structured view of how much has been invested in the software and what it would take to recreate it. The detailed findings section includes critical issues, if there are any, warnings to consider, recommendations, and strengths. All outputs are available as structured, auditable documents, including the evidence certificate and a technical report. These can be stored under IP custody, ensuring integrity and traceability over time. The evidence certificate is issued by an independent, trusted third party. The technical and economic reports provide a comprehensive breakdown, including executive summary, platform overview, functional description, architecture, tech stack, integrations, production readiness, and detailed scoring across areas such as code quality and maintainability. What this enables is a much more objective way to assess software as an asset, whether in investment decisions, due diligence, internal governance, or portfolio monitoring. It provides a standardized and comparable view of technical substance. In summary, Codeego introduces a structured, independent layer around software, turning it from something opaque into something measurable, comparable, and usable in decision-making. If this is relevant, we'd be happy to walk through it in more detail or explore how it could fit within your workflows. Thank you for your time.